Thatha lento ayinamngozi uyosendela amalinki kuze kube nini awukahle namalinki thatha lento asiqale once upon a time there was a friend umngani wethu sonke ngoba sonke sinaye lo mngani sizombiza ngoSki ski ski understand ukuthi uSki wayethanda imusic and uSki one day decide ukuthi nope I am inspired and so wahamba studio sakhe and started creating ingoma yakhe entsha sha. Once he was done ukwenza ingoma, once he recorded the song and mastered the song, wabe sedonsa i-laptop wa-upload ingoma yakhe online. After that he took ifoni yakhe wagijima, he ran and ran. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi ugijima uyaphi nje uski ski ski uyotshengisa abangani bakhe ingoma yakhe entsha sha because he feels ukuthi le ayenzile is the one. At that time abangani bakhe were just relaxing, beyiphuzela ijuice, beyidlela ama-chips and they were talking. Bathi beqalaza babona ukuthi umngani wabo lo uski ski ski and uyaqhamuka manje usho nge-run, so they knew ukuthi no nango-ke futhi again usezobaxina ngamalinki. Lelani ingoma yami ngizoni-hotspot-a, nayi ilinki ngiyayithumela ngo-WhatsApp, nayi ilinki ngiyayithumela ngo-Facebook. Awukahle ngamalinki, awukahle ilinki yani, ilinki yani sasavelelwa ilinki yani. Yazi njenjani? Lalela, ngena ku-Google, yes, ngena ku-Chrome or whatever browser oyisebenzisayo. Bhala ukuthi DistroKid. Scroll down. This is the first option ezovela. Upresse lapha ku-DistroKid. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi yini u-DistroKid. Understand ukuthi u-DistroKid uzosiza wena to distribute i-music yakho everywhere throughout umhlaba wonke. That means sizokuthola ku-Spotify, Apple Music, sizokuthola ka-TikTok, sizokuthola ka-Instagram, ka-Facebook. You have unlimited release music. Shothi ungakhipha namhlanje ukhiphe kusasa, ukhiphe nangakusasa, and you get to keep yonke ihemxe yakho. Manje lento isebenza kanjani? Understand ukuthi first you have to select i-membership right for wena, ngoba wena uzaziyo ukuthi ufuna into enjani or u-afforda into enjani. After that you will then select iy'ngoma zakho, kusho ukuthi uzo-upload i-album, uzo-upload i-single, uzo-upload i-EP kukuwena. After that uzobe usuyalinda 2 to 3 days, ngeke uhlule ukulinda nje 2 to 3 days. Kuzothi mase kuphelele lezo iy'nsuku iy'ngoma zakho zizobe sey'tholakala kuwona wonke ama-streaming platforms akhona la emhlabeni. Hhayi lokho kuphela, but sizobe sesikuthola nakuma-social media. Lokho kusho ukuthi wena sobe dlala iy'ngoma zakho lapha ku-TikTok. Phansi ngamalinki phansi, osithumela ilinki simthumela uphuthu. Understand ukuthi with u-DistroKid sifuna ukukustreama whether ngiphethe i-laptop or ngiphethe ifoni, because wena sizobe sisikuthola ku-Spotify, ku-Apple Music, sikuthola ku-TikTok, u-Pinterest, u-Amazon, u-Instagram, u-YouTube, nawo wonke lawa amanye engawazi. Phansi ngamalinki phansi. Esikhuluma ngehemxe-ke manje siwasithi ukuba serious kancane. Ama-membership ase-DistroKid ahlukile and ashiyana ngama-levels awo. Uma ukuthi wena uthi uyi-artist uwedwa, this might be the best option for wena. Ubhenefithani kule option ye-membership yakho? Uthola i-unlimited music uploads, uthole ama-lyrics ntontoni, kusho ukuthi thina kahle kahle sizoprovide ngama-lyrics engoma yakho. Uphinde ube verified ka-Spotify. After that uzothola imali yakho injengoba injalo, ama-royalties. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi le membership u-option B eyomuntu omnyama ohlakaniphile. Understand ukuthi la mawukuthi wena uthi unama-independent artist owaziyo nje ukuthi hayi nope awakasayinwa kuma-major record labels, kodwa mina ngifuna ukuwathatha ngiwayise mina khona ezophumelela nami ngenze imali. This is the best option for wena. Understand ukuthi la ukwazi ukufaka 5 or more artists uloku bafakile nje under i-record label yakho erejistiwe. After that wena uzobe usaba-uploadela i-music yabo through i-record label yakho, through uDistroKid, because uDistroKid will act as i-distribution company for wena ne-record label yakho. They also have ama-specials. Understand ukuthi once you register uDistroKid bazokunika a Spotify for Artist account for wena mawukuthi wedwa, or for wena nama-artist akho mawukuthi ufuna nibe record label. Understand ukuthi bazonika u-TikTok artist account mawukuthi ama-artist akho ano-TikTok azokwazi ukuba ne-section la khona kuvela music yabo. After that, u-Apple Music artist banawo, u-Tidal Music Home bazoba nawo, YouTube channel yenu as i-record label izoba khona, or yakho as i-artist izoba khona. You connect to Audiomack. You will also receive ama-plaques. You will also receive ama-trophy. If kwenzeka music yakho itrendile, if kwenzeka music yakho ilaleliwe, you will receive leyo nto ekuthiwa i-plaque. If you know, you know. If you don't know, send a link. Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok Music, Luna, YouTube Music, Amazon, Pandora, Deezer, Tidal, iHeartRadio, and many more other music streaming platforms nama-social media platforms. Ungasaphindi usithumele i-link mfethu, ngiyacela. Yo, can you hear me? Yo. Understand ukuthi we are not finished. They also distribute ama-music video. What does that mean? That means ukuthi wena nabangani bakho, or wena ne-record label yakho, once you are done shooting a music video for ingoma yenu enazi kahle ukuthi izophumelela, yo, you can then use uDistroKid to submit i-music video yakho kuwo wonke ama-music video streaming platforms or services. Yo, ungaphinde usendele i-link, ungaphinde usithumele i-link mfethu.